Well, let me ask you something first. When you hear the word China, what comes to your mind? Factories? Population? Cheap products? Well, you see, that picture is outdated. Because today, China does some things better than almost anyone else on earth. Not perfect, not flawless, but incredibly effective. So let's talk about 5 things China does exceptionally well. No shouting, no propaganda, just facts, examples, and reality. First thing, doing things at massive scale. You see, scale is China's superpower. When China decides to do something, it doesn't do it small, it does it big. High-speed rail is the best example. China has over 40,000 kilometers of high-speed rail. That is more than the rest of the world combined. Cities that were once far apart are now just a few hours away. Building at scale means faster transport, cheaper costs per person, huge economic connection. Many countries can build big projects. China does them faster and wider. That's not magic, that's planning plus scale. Second thing, manufacturing speed and efficiency. Now let's talk about manufacturing. China is called the world's factory for a reason. From phones to shoes, from machines to toys, China makes them fast. A study by the World Bank shows that China's manufacturing ecosystem is so connected that parts, labor, transport, assembly are often located within a few hours of each other. You see, it's not just cheap labor anymore, it's speed. A product idea today can become a real product in weeks. That speed is very hard to copy. Third thing, logistics and delivery. Here is something people outside China often don't realize. In many Chinese cities, same day or next day, delivery is normal. Companies like Alibaba built logistics network that handle billions of packages every year. Packages move from factory to warehouse to doorstep with shocking efficiency. During shopping festivals, China processes more online orders in one day than many countries do in a year. You see, logistics is invisible when it works well, and China made it work at insane scale. Fourth, long-term thinking. Now this part is very important. China plans in decades, not election cycles. 5-year plans, 10-year visions, long-term goals, infrastructure, technology, education. These things take time. While many countries change direction every few years, China often stays on one path. You may agree or disagree with the system, but the long-term focus is undeniable. That's how cities like Shenzhen went from fishing villages to global tech hubs in just a few decades. Fifth thing, adapting technology fast. China does not always invent first, but it adapts and scales technology faster than anyone else. Mobile payments are a perfect example. In China, street vendors, taxis, small shops use QR codes. Cash, rare. Cards, optional. Digital payments became normal years ago. AI, facial recognition, smart cities, electric vehicles. China tests technology in real life, not just in labs. And when it works, it spreads fast. Current reality and the future. So, what does this mean for the future? China will likely continue to lead in infrastructure, manufacturing, logistics, applied technology. Other countries are learning from this model. Some are competing, some are collaborating. The world is becoming multi-centered, not single-centered, and China is one of those centers. China is not good at everything. No country is. But when it comes to scale, speed, planning, execution, China is in a league of its own. And understanding that helps us understand where the world is heading next. If this video made you think, even just a little, then yeah, that was the point.